What's up, YouTube? It's your boy t.stix, and thank you for landing here on my channel. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Going forth in the future, I'm definitely making some changes within self, but also inside of this Clear Sonic drum booth. I've already invested some more money into cymbals, microphones, had to get rid of, the old basic stuff that I was using, time to upgrade, here and there, make my way up to the big leads. Don't mind all the fingerprints on here. I literally just bought this, pulled it out of the box from Guitar Center. But the A's, Zildjian A's, that's what I'm heading towards. Right now on the kit, I just put in the 17-inch, which is amazing. I love the crisp, the sharpness of that cymbal. By far the best sounding cymbal I've heard in my inner monitors that I own out of my cymbal arsenal. I have an 18-inch, and then I'm still waiting on my 16-inch. It's been 2 weeks. They just sent it back to the shipper. And I'm like, bro, like, can I just have my cymbal already? Like what's the dealio? So they should be shipping that back out tomorrow. Hopefully I'll see it by the weekend, but most likely it'll be Monday, unfortunately. You guys saw the Zildjian A, that was a 8-inch splash. Zildjian Flash Splash 10-inch already inside. I'm thinking of getting a Flash Splash, maybe 8-inch or 6-inch. And then for the hi-hats, I'm debating between the Zildjian A Master Sounds or some K's. And then I have a 20-inch Zildjian A Avitas Ride. It's one of the older models. It doesn't have the A stamp on it. It actually says Avitas. So if you actually know me personally, you know that I'm very big on drum sound. The sound quality of the drums is everything to me. Tuning is highly important. Tuning is recommended. No, tuning is required. Get away from using the duct tape, the paper towels, the rags, all that kind of stuff. It kills the tone and it stops the head from doing what the head is designed to do. They do make dampening devices, such as the moon gels, the drum dots. So a little more about the sound quality. Before I've been using the digital reference drum mic kit. Is a very basic beginner mic pack for a drummer. It gets you by, but no, it's time to get away from that. This is that digital reference snare tom mic, and then the bass one's a little larger. And then it comes with 2 condensers for the 7-piece kit. And then I had to get a smaller kit, which came with 3 of these, 1 for the snare, 2 toms, the kick, and that was it. So first mics I replaced were the condenser mics. I have the Sterling Audio P150 and P130. I currently have 2 P130s above overhead for cymbals, auxiliary. Found this at Guitar Center, $79 on sale for one pack, both of them inside. So I picked up 2. You can use them for instruments, you can use them for vocals. They're just all around amazing microphones. Second thing I replaced was the snare mic, because you gotta have an amazing sounding snare. That's the heart right there. That's the clap. It has to be clean, it has to be there. You have to hear every articulate note of the snare drum. So I went with the Sennheiser E604. Amazing. I later went back and actually I just got the 3-pack this past weekend for the 3-rack toms, so I added those as well. And then for the floor toms, my 14 and 16 both have the Sennheiser E609. Great for that lower tone, getting that beefy sound that a lot of drummers are looking for. Maybe not necessarily your jazz drummers, your blues drummers, but definitely your R&B, your rock, They like that darker tone. Then last but not least, definitely the bass drum. I love for my bass to sound like I'm at a concert. I want to be able to feel it. So the best mic for the job that I knew of was the Beta 52 Alpha. I know a lot of professional drummers that utilize this microphone in recording studios, also live venues, shows, concerts. It's an amazing mic. So I also bought more heads because this is actually I've had these heads for about 2 years. The ones that are currently on the kit. I had them on my previous kit, the orange Sparkle kit, and they are still in great condition. I'm not a heavy hitter drummer, so I was able to keep those heads in the game for 2 years. So without further ado, let's go take a look inside this beast. All right, so we're gonna take a peek inside. So first, you already know I rip Zildjian. So as you can tell, these heads have definitely seen better days. So I'm definitely ready to replace them. I'm gonna replace this 16 with another 16, the Zildjian A16. I mean, I really love that cymbal. It sounds amazing. So I may do swap offs, but it is one of the brilliant finishes. And I'm trying to go to more of the traditional. It's the 18, the 17. Love it. Love it. Got the flash splash here, 10-inch. Amazing. These are still part of the S family. I'm gonna replace that one with the 8-inch A, and then that one I'm not sure if I'm gonna get just a regular 10-inch A. And then for the hats, definitely thinking in between the Zildjian A Master Sound or the Zildjian K Sweet hi-hats. But yeah, there you have it, the Sennheiser E604, and here's the digital reference. You can definitely tell how much larger that microphone is. It's a lot heavier. These are lighter. These are a little larger, but they're beefier. Then here you have the Elisa sample pad. It's my blackout snare, accessory snare, 10-inch. PDP. The kit is PDP also by DW. That 5000 is amazing. The two-legged hi-hat stand, perfect. Because that third leg just kind of gets in the way and you have to kind of adjust it accordingly. Fan placement down there blowing at an angle up to my face. So perfect. So just a little trick with the snare drum. I leave my snares off and then I drop them all the way so that way I don't have any spring tension going while I'm not playing, which is a lot of the time. I'm not in here playing always. I have another job. But releasing that spring tension, it will keep your springs, keep your snares, keep all that stuff under tension, able to last longer, because it's like a rubber band. If you keep a rubber band stretched out, it's not gonna last long. It's eventually gonna break. But if you release it and let it do its thing and just like relax, it will last longer for you. For camera placement, I have the GoPro 7, the GoPro 4, and another 4 for overhead. And then these are the condenser mics I was talking about, the P130s. So YouTube, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below, like, share. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when the videos are uploaded. It's your boy t.stix. Y'all be easy.